Welcome to the last video of our Verilog course, and in this video we will cover FSM, the last topic I want to cover in our Verilog course. After this you can write any code in Verilog and you can clear any interview in respect to our Verilog. Okay, so in FSM you have heard of two types, and one is Melee and another is Mure. So we are using Melee, and any of one you can know for writing a code. So we are using 101 as a sequence. Now X is our input, this 0 0 1 is y is our output, and S0, S1 and S2 are our states. Okay, so we will detect this 101 as a sequence, and for example of your finite state machine you can say vending machine is one of the type of which use FSM, and any other like APB protocols also use FSM. Okay, so FSM is very important topic. Now let's say if our input is 1 first, so 1 is detected, you can say, so it will change its state to S0 to S1, which is it is changing, and if our input is our 0, then it will remain in the same state, okay, S0 state. If our next input is 0, then it will change our state to S2, okay, S1. If input is 0, then it will change our state to S2. Okay, if our input is 1, then our S1 state will go to our S0 state, reverse. Okay, and next if 1 is coming to S2, if input to S2 state is our 1, then it will detect 1 as output equal to 1, and our 101 sequence is detected. Okay, otherwise if our input is 0, then it will again go to our S0 state. Okay, this is a simple thing. Then you can understand this Melee and Mure concept theoretically more in digital part, but this is enough for writing a code. So let's start with writing our code. So let's start with module as always, FSM, and X, Y, reset, because we need something to reset all the things, and lastly we need our clock. Fine, and now input will be our and our clock, and our output range will be our Y. Now one thing we need for writing FSM is parameter. As you can see, we have written S0, which will be numbered as 00, S1 which is numbered as 01,